Okay, my marriage in keep as well. I'm more do or die affair. But if you want your world to crash, now you sabi, okay? A very marriage advice that is very loud is rounding on the internet. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and on this episode of Palava, this advice is very loud, and I decided to come and share it with you. On one ibem ne madu advisor, and the lady call from the advice is giving screaming vibes. I don't need to say much because in a good video, can you if you want na marriage, ke mama or demma or no danger.
Property that you have believe property. Oh, what again? One neck, Jackie, when you got to drag it out, I come on, I love mother, all I get a mother, but I have you fear. Just only gonna go down and up. Go home. And I know do. Everything. That man of the is an informer. Walk away. I got a new advice. I have so good. Nonsense.
Why now I'm managing a favor? Half let them get out.
You know, I'm managing to get a poor man. I can't put the man. All the time, got the side cheek. If you go, if it is one gay, work one, my silly place away, to 12 time. A smell to 20 years by. Go home, never pay.
Auntie, can't advise in a young wife.
Advice in a young one. Why you have another tea? We don't like in our poor bono. Get out school fees. Money now, young man on our one neck, Nabanonia. Whoa. Go home, Papa.
Very good.
Okay, money for a single mother, my happiness. They form again. The money could be done. Who could do room was you want but you didn't have again.
To me, this advice from this lady is coming from a place of anger. You know, because check you're the one is the lady is paying school fees, paying rent, fending for the food in the house. See, if you're not able, this is what we are talking about, family issue. The lady is paying for the rent, the school fees, the feeding in the house, taking care of literally everything, while the husband is doing absolutely nothing. And this woman is advising her to leave and find a side guy that will be knacking her too. You know, since the husband is getting the knacks from the side chick and paying the side chick for the knacks, may she cuckoo go get her own side man. Okay, because marriage is not a do or die affair. If you feel that it is no jugogi oga madam way, you know, but sometimes women feel that okay, let me do, you know, but people often dinner saying advice one year walk or so at some point for mental health one year advice walk all yeah, for the other part of make endo chineke advice walk or, you know. However you feel on the comment section, however you feel, put it on the comment section before on tabi kweli. Because iha wanya ku oju miss mo afudi the video say second share. Kamogodi yende modi eku about it because it's giving amamia what the lady onya no do ko onya na, but that is the more reason why as a babe wanya we for na alo inwe fi na alo ya boboju dolo icho izelo onwe we chikona tagodo onwe ewe kubekwasi ama ga ebi kona amebi nke a bụ ihe mụ na-ekwu. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe. This particular episode of Palava is very interesting, and please share this video as much as you can for other people to give in their take about marriage rules. Until I come again, peace out.